So a really quick tip I've run into in the past that kind of was a gotcha initially with a Affinity Designer or even an Affinity photo document is to save a layer with a transparent background. So say it's got a transparent background, but in your document you see this white background, which you don't want. If you were to save this out right now, you're gonna have white for sure in the background. And what we wanna do is create a way to not make that happen. You just want this icon to save out. So I've got an icon here. I've got the layer selected, and I'll go up to File and Export. And since it is a transparent background, you need to use a file format called PNG, and that allows for transparency. And the same is true. GIF is another one that allows for it, as well as PSD. These other types are going to put a background color on there, so it's something to keep in mind. So what you can do, instead of just exporting this as is, you can go to Area in this drop-down panel, and you could do Selection Without Background. So it's kind of a hidden gem there that allows you to ultimately save this icon out on its own as opposed to anything else. So let me go ahead and just say icon, the desktop, and you'll see to leave my full screen mode to the desktop. And now we have an icon that has the transparent background, which is great. So if I were to save that out without doing that, you're going to notice a actual white background. So I'll even select a layer. I'll do the export again, which is Command Shift Option S if you're on a Mac. And I'll do just as is, just to show you by example. And I'll do icon white BG. You'll notice this has a white background. So that's a quick little tip. You might find yourself needing to do something with transparent background. It could be an image. It could be something that you subtracted the image from, even in Affinity Photo. And you'll find that that is a little quirk that you have to get used to with this app. So you'll do File, again, Export, or you can even do Save As with the same thing. But we'll just do Export again, and just be sure it's on a PNG and a Selection Without Background. You can even adjust more settings below here if you want to. I would leave those as is personally, but up to you. So again, you can export that, and it's got no background, so we'll just call it icon just to save over that right here, and it's got no background. So hopefully that helped you in your workflow. Probably post more of these quick tips. I might make a course out of quick tips, but I think all in all, I'm just going to put these little quick excerpts up just to give you guys some quick bits of knowledge about the apps and things you might find or struggle through as you go through creating stuff with Affinity Photo and Affinity Designer, and hopefully coming soon, Affinity Publisher. All right, thanks for watching.